Hello stockers, very good afternoon. Market have just now closed and as expected it's closed in red. Let's analyze some stocks. Emaar today opened with a gap down as you can see and it have closed positive but nothing impressive for now. Still it's under pressure, closing is 4.03. If you see our main stock of Dubai stock market, a very heavy weighted stock that is Emirates NBD, it also opened with a gap down. It touched 14.10 but could not manage to close at the high. Today's closing is 14.05. Again, another performer was DR. It touched 0.314 but could not manage to close at the day's high. We can see closing is not very impressive again, 0.310. Guys, as of now, do not rush to enter the trade. I know most of the stocks are trending down. You will try to catch the falling knife. You think you are buying at the base or buying at the support, they will lift up and again break the support. Clearly this is what has been happening for the last few days. So wait for a proper trend, let the stock go higher and higher. We will buy at the support and we will sell at the resistance. So as of now, just hold your guns. Let's wait patiently. Market is not giving us clear direction whether it wants to go up or sideways. Clearly we can see market is very choppy. Market is in a trend. When you buy a stock within a trend, it will hit the resistance, come back at the support, again it will hit the resistance, come back at the support. You will just waste your time and your capital will be blocked. So just wait patiently, we will get good trades. As of now, I am not trading myself because I am waiting for some good opportunities. Let me refresh the page. Market have just now closed. Yeah, so now we can see the closing properly. GFH was also performing well today. We can see it opened with a gap down. It touched 0.728 but could not manage to close at the day's high. No confirmation yet. GFH is also trending down. As of now, it's at the support. What we want to see is it moves up and clears the previous resistance. Once it crosses the resistance, we will buy at the retest exactly at this level and we will take this full complete swing high. We will sell at the resistance. So just wait patiently. This is just about good but not yet ready for the entry. UPP also did not perform. It opened with a gap down. 0.289 was yesterday's closing. Today's opening 0.286, clearly indicating weakness. Also the closing is not impressive. It closed at the opening today right here. It could not break the previous day's closing. Highest was 0.288. I was expecting it to cross the previous day's closing, so we can say some momentum have started but no confirmation yet. So just hold your horses, we will get good opportunities. Now if we see Amanat, let me see the chart. Amanat, let me share the chart with you. What we can see as of now is previously the resistance was in this zone right here. Long wicks at the top indicating selling pressure. This was the support. Support once broken now will act as a resistance. So when do we buy Amanat? Well, let it cross 1.13. We want to see some price action. Let it come back for a retest at the resistance, which should now act as a support, and we buy. So as of now, it's just wait and watch game. Let's check out some other stocks. Air Arabia, also the same story. Most of the stocks, as you can see, have opened with a gap down, indicating weakness in the market. If market was positive or was about to go up today, we could have seen some good opening. But clearly market have indicated right at the beginning that no, there are no big buyers. It's just opening with a gap down, indicating selling pressure. People are just exiting the position as of now. DR, let me share the chart. DR also same story. we can see it's been trending down, it's making lower lows and lower highs. This is the previous resistance right here, we can see at 0.314. Long wick indicating sellers are sitting here. Now someone must have definitely bought here when market was around 0.311, 0.312, 0.313. These are all retail traders. Now they buy in a rush. They think that okay, if I miss out the trade, market will go and I will miss the opportunity. This is called FOMO, fear of missing out. So guys, do not rush. As of now, let me delete. As of now, those who bought at these levels are in panic, obviously, because they are in losses. The market have closed around 0.310, so they are obviously in panic. The positions are in losses as of now. So tomorrow if market turns around, again they will sell at the support. So when big boys start to buy at the support, market will pick up, clear the previous resistance. This is when we have to buy once it crosses the resistance. So these boys over here who bought at the resistance sold at support, and when market picked up, crossed the resistance, they missed the opportunity, because they will obviously think that again if I buy here, market is expected to go further down, but they don't know that they have sold at support levels. So always remember guys, when the market is trending up, you buy at the support. When resistance is cleared, you add another position. Again, if you have enough capital, when market crosses the resistance, wait for a pullback. When it crosses the resistance, again add to your positions. This is how you do pyramiding. This is called pyramiding, adding to your winning positions. As of now, the scenario is, let me move. As of now, scenario is market is making lower lows and lower highs. What people are doing as of now, they are trying to buy at the support, but support is not holding. Support has been broken every time. Again the support is broken. So you are just missing out on opportunities. Hold on to your capital, you will just increase your losses. So let us confirm a proper support area first. We want to see a good price action and then we enter the trade. That's the reason even on my Instagram and on my YouTube channel, I have not been posting any of my stock picks. I'm just watching the market. Okay, let's see something else. AAN, very weak stock. Oh, what's this? Let me remove the marker. This is a very weak stock. It also opened with a gap down. Closing is good, but this does not sustain. Sometimes it makes a spike, comes back down, makes a small spike, again comes down, breaking the support area. So this one is very volatile. In a day itself, it makes 10% or sometimes 8%, but does not give a good closing. This is very sensitive stock. Let's see something else. Shua, same thing. If you can see, it opened with a huge gap down. 0.680 was yesterday's closing. Today it opened with 0.668. Imagine the gap down. And it have closed at 0.672. Down by 1.17%. Shua also the same story. It moves up, comes down, moves up, comes down. Very volatile stock. I don't like Shua. As in, I don't like to trade Shua. Emaar Properties, it's been silent, it's been low. We know it's because of the news and the merger. So I'm staying away from Emaar as of now. I was expecting UPP to perform well. I was expecting a good closing in DR. Emaar Dev was performing very well. Yesterday's closing was at 3.81 and now today's closing is 3.79. During the day it was performing very well. It touched 3.83. Amlak category B, not interested. Ithmar category B, not interested. These stocks are very slow, so I usually don't trade. Do is very slow. It's expensive, 6.60, but I usually don't trade. You know, some of the good stocks are these right here. These are the good stocks to trade. Rest others are very slow and very small stocks to trade, but they are not performing as of now. Even Emaar malls, no, nothing interesting. Open with a gap down, touched 2.02, but it's still holding at 2.00. As per the news, Emaar malls and Emaar Properties, they're going to merge. In other words, Emaar malls is going back to Emaar Properties. So this is as per the news. Aramax, a good stock. I always recommend to hold it in your portfolio for long term. It opened flat and it closed at the same price, 3.56. It's holding so far, but as I say, when the markets are choppy, we can clearly say stocks are not performing as well. So when the market is within a range, avoid taking any positions. It's better to watch the market and take some good trades right at the support area. Aman also very slow. For the last month or so, it's not been performing, and today it have closed in red. Opened with a gap down, 1.05, lowest is 1.03, and closing is also at 1.03, down by 2.83%. Very bad. We can see here at a glance, gainers Amanat, as I had mentioned, looking good but no confirmation yet. Losers, we can see Aman, rest all are small stocks and category B stocks. Clearly we can see market is going flat and flat every day, no major moves. Market opened at 2250, tried to cross the resistance around 2750, got resisted, but later in the day it crossed the resistance, retested the resistance, and then closing is not very impressive. As we all know, market is still flat. 2826.53 is today's closing. We are down by 0.14%. Market is down by 4.18 points. So nothing impressive, guys. Just hold on as of now. It's wait and watch game. Tomorrow is last trading day of the week, and then we enter into Expo 2020 Dubai. Hopefully we should see some good movement in the market. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.